Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enter on Microsoft Excel in your Windows laptop or PC. You can use different methods to enter or open up Microsoft Excel in your Windows laptop or PC. Now for the first method, just click on this Windows key. Now for the first method, just go to Start option. Now here you can find your all the installed apps. You have to just find Excel from here. Just scroll down, that's it. Then just click on Excel to open it, and that's it. Now you can also open up Excel from your taskbar. Just go to same option again and then find Excel, and then right click on mouse, then click on more, then click on pin to taskbar. Now you can see on the taskbar Excel has been added successfully. You can also open up your Excel from here, and that's it. You can also add your Excel app on the desktop. Just go to same option again and then scroll down, just click here and drag and drop to the desktop, and you can see it's added successfully. And that is how you can enter or open up Microsoft Excel in your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.